down what happened to Banana Hobby, but it was really cool. They had awesome, again, RC planes and vehicles that they flew over there. It was awesome. Philippa Arnold's, thank you, or no, sorry, Philip Arnold's 7. My dyslexia got me again. Um, Thanks for joining. We have Horizon Hobby. Horizon Hobby has been really nice to me and the channel. They even were so kind enough to send me Real Flight Evolution. Real Flight Evolution, if you guys don't know what that is, it is a cool simulator that I get to um, do videos with on a daily basis. I will just show up in front of the screen and fly planes and helicopters and all kinds of cool things for you guys. I do that daily. I guess we're probably going to be doing it daily from the TikTok going forward. Um, but yeah, you know, it is what it is. I used to do all of these live streams on YouTube, but I was treated so badly and bullied so much over there that I decided that I am done with them for now. So we'll see how long it's going to take before they start treating me better, and maybe I will go back to the YouTube. But for now, bye-bye, YouTube. Um, then we've got Brian Phillips RC, as I said before. If you want to learn how to put together some cool planes, such as, for instance, Horizon Hobby planes, FMS planes, get your things set up on, what is it, the UMX planes. Did I say FMS? I think I said FMS. I said Hobby Zone, you name it. All the coolest planes and stuff you will also find on the Brian Phillips RC, and he is my absolute favorite RC pilot out there right now. He's got the moves like Jagger in the air with the things that he does. Again, also, I always remember the RC Sailors too. They're also really good. Zeke Plumber 85, thank you for showing up. Really appreciate you being here. Who else is the other one? We have the RC Kiwis. I don't always talk about the RC Kiwis, but they also have a very cool reviews channel where they talk about all kinds of cool things RC. So go check those out too. What else we've got here? We have the one, the only Ashley Lawless, which started her singing career, and she's got a few subscribers, but not enough, and I think she deserves more because she got a beautiful voice. Thank you, Lancero. Oh my gosh, can I not read this? Lancero 67. Zad and Maria, thank you for joining. This is awesome. So Ashley Wallace started her singing career, and she's pretty amazing. You guys haven't seen her work.